This is A Square Maths Made Easy Academy. Now, in my today's video, I am going to consider another dimension of it. And the dimension of it is what I'm talking about is Waec. Waec simply means West African Examination Council. We are going to detail a lot of past questions and make the solution to be more easy, simplified and concise, so that every person that will watch this video must understand. Now, this particular question does not only limit to all Waec people alone, even those that are writing professional exams, even NECO, even any type of exams for an interview. You can as well watch this video. Now, I want you to pay attention, very, very attentive. You must understand it. Are you ready for that now? Now, sit very comfortably and watch. Now, can we read the question? We are watch. Now, look up. The question says, in a class of 40 students, 25 speak Hausa, 16 speak Igbo, 21 speak Yoruba, and each of the students speaks at least one of the three languages. Now look up, if 8 speaks Hausa and Igbo, then 11 speak Hausa and Yoruba, and 6 speak Igbo and Yoruba. Now look at the question. Question number 8 says, draw a Venn diagram to illustrate this information using X to represent the number of students that speak all the three. Then the next one is to calculate the value of X. And this question, I picked it from 1991, question number 11, Waec. Now, let us take it bit by bit. Are you ready for that? Well, yeah, let's go. Now, let's take the question again. In a class of 40 students, I want us to pause. This 40 student is talking about the universal set. So, which means the number of the universal set is given as 40. Are you there? It was observed that 25 speak Hausa. So which means the number that speaks Hausa is how many? 25. Are you there? Then let's move again. 16 speak Igbo. Now the number that speak Igbo is how many? 16. Are you there? And 21 speak Yoruba. So which means the number that speak Yoruba is given as 21. Now this is the information. Can we continue? And the question says, and each of the students speaks at least one of the three languages. Now pause. Now what did they say again? Watch. If 8 speak Hausa and Igbo, so which means the number of students that speaks Hausa and Igbo is given as 8. Are you there? Now watch again. 11 speak Hausa and Yoruba. The number that speak Hausa and Yoruba, which is Y, is 11. Now can we move ahead again? And 6 speak Igbo and Yoruba. Now the number that speak Igbo and Yoruba is 6. Something is missing here. How? The three languages. So how do we examine it? The number that speaks Hausa and Igbo and Yoruba, we don't know. The question says we should use X to represent it. Are you with me now? So let us call it X. Now, anytime you are working on Venn diagram of a set that has 3 rings, the first thing you are going to do, look up, use the value of the intersection of the 3 rings and minus each of the intersection of the 2 rings. Now, what is the value of the intersection of the 3 rings? What is X, right? I will now go to the 2 ring and introduce minus X here. This is another 2 ring, introduce minus X here. This is another 2 ring, introduce minus X. That is how it's being done. Are you with me now? Now, if that is taken now, for us to represent this on a Venn diagram, please don't be too fast to start representing it on a Venn diagram. It is wrong. You must first of all know how many speaks Hausa only, how many speak Igbo only, and how many speak Yoruba only. Can we calculate for it now? Then watch. Just pay attention. Are you there? Now watch. We can say the number that speak Hausa only, remember only, is now, remember that Hausa is given, and this is not the actual number. Consider it as 25. Then introduce minus. Open the bracket. Next is to move all the intersection. Anywhere you consider Hausa, which is H, accept it. Are you with me now? Let's move. There is Hausa here. Accept it. The value is 8 minus X. I will add. Here also there is Hausa. Accept it. What is the value? 11 minus X. Oh my goodness, no Hausa here, reject this. But here there is what? Hausa. What is the value? I will now add plus what? X. Now anything that we're able to produce here, it is called Hausa only. Are you with me? Now let's go. This is now equal to 25 minus open bracket. Now watch how we add. X plus 11 will give us what? 19. Are you there? Minus X will cancel plus what? X. Then what is remaining is minus what? X. Can we open the bracket using what? Minus. Oh yeah, watch. We can now say 25 minus times 19 will give us minus 19. Are you there? Minus times minus will give us plus what? X. Now, can we get the number that speak Hausa only? Watch. What do we say now? 25 minus what? 19 will give us what? 6. Then plus what? X. This is the number of students that speak Hausa words only. Now, if that is justified, can we now look at the number of students that speak what again? Igbo words only. Now, use the same method that I use in Hausa to solve for Igbo. You can do it. Now, let's go. Igbo is given, but not the actual number. What is it? 16. Then you subtract and open the bracket. Now, let's check again the intersection. Is there Igbo here? Yes. Accept the value. What's the value? 8 minus X. I will add. Is there Igbo here? No, reject it. Is there Igbo here? Yes, accept the value. What is the value? 6 minus what? X. I will add. Is there Igbo here? Yes. What is the value? X. Then close the bracket. Can I continue to have 16? Are you there? Minus open bracket. Now, let's go. 8 plus 6 will give you what? Are you with me? We give you 14. Now, minus X will cancel plus what? X. Is 0. So remaining minus what? X. What do we do next? Use minus X to open the bracket. Now let's go. So you can have what? 16. Are you there? Minus times 14 will give you minus 14. Minus times minus X will give you plus what? X. Wow. Can we say now 16 minus 14? Talk to me. What is the answer? 2. Then plus what? X. Now if they ask you how many speak Hausa only? Wow. What? I mean Igbo only. What do you tell me? 2 plus what? X. Then let's go to the final one. And what is the final one? We are going to consider now the number that speaks what? Yoruba what? Only. Now can we do likewise? What is Yoruba? This is 21, which is not the exact, right? Minus open bracket. Are you with me now? Now, what do we do again? Is there Yoruba here? No, reject it. Is there Yoruba here? Yes. What is the value? I will introduce 11 minus X and I will add. Is there Yoruba here? Yes. What is the value? 6 minus X. I will introduce 6 minus X. Finally, you add. Is there Yoruba here? Yes. What is the value? X. I will now introduce here as X. Are you observing this now? What do we do next? I will now say 21 minus open bracket. Now watch. 11 plus 6 will give us what? 17. Can I say minus X? Take away plus what? X. What is remaining? Minus what? X. Close the bracket. Now open the bracket using what? Minus. Wow. Can I say 21, right? Minus times 17 will give us minus 17. Minus times minus X will give us plus what? X. Can you now see that Yoruba is visible, right? So what do we say? 21 minus what? 17. Talk to me. What is the answer? 4 plus what? X. So which means the number of students that speak Yoruba only is what? 4 plus what? X. Now can we solve the questions now one after the other? Now the first one says we should represent the information on a Venn diagram. Now let us do that and know exactly how the thing looks like. Are you ready? Oh yeah, watch. Can I say question number A? Now we have 3 rings. This is the first one. This is the second one. Hope you are following. And this is also the third one. Now I will draw my rectangular like this. Are you there? And introduce the universal word said outside, which is 40. Am I communicating? Now do you know that the first diagram is for Hausa? The second one is for Igbo, and the third one is for Yoruba. Are you with me now? Now let us move ahead. Now watch. What is Hausa only? It has been solved. Look at it here. 6 plus what? X. I will now introduce here 6 plus what? X. Now what is Igbo only? It has been solved. 2 plus what? X. I will now put here 2 plus what? X. Now what is Yoruba only? Watch. 4 plus what? X. I will now put 4 plus what? X. The next one is Hausa and what? Igbo. What is Hausa and Igbo? Somebody talk to me. It is 8 minus what? 8 minus what? X. I have here 8 minus what? X. The next one is Hausa and what? Yoruba. Hausa and Yoruba is what? 11 minus X. I will put here 11 minus X. Where the next one is Igbo and what? Yoruba. Igbo and Yoruba is what? 6 minus what? X. Finally is the intersection. What is the intersection? Which is X. And that is exactly the final answer for question number what? A. Can we now quickly move to number what? B. They said we should calculate. Don't forget. The question said calculate for what? X. Now, how do we calculate for X? Observe. When we add the whole of this thing, it will produce the universal word set. What is it? 40, right? Then equal to. Hausa only is 6 plus what? X. I will add. Igbo only, talk to me, is 2 plus what? X. I will add. Then Yoruba only is 4 plus what? X. I will add. Then Hausa and Igbo is what? 8 minus X. I will add. Then Hausa and Yoruba is what? 11 minus X. Then I will add. Igbo and what? Yoruba is what? 6 minus X. Then I will add. Finally is the intersection. What is the intersection? X. Now let's go. Can you see that here is 40, right? Then equal to. Let's add those numbers first. Let's start. 6 plus 2 is what? 8. 8 plus 4 is what? 12. 12 plus 8 should give you what? 20. And 20 plus 11 should give you what? 31. Then 31 plus 6 should give you what? 37. Are you with me now? Now it is obvious that we are going to do it like this. Watch. Minus X, we go with plus what? X. Am I communicating? Another plus X, we go with minus what? X. Just do it in that way. Now let us consider the X that are remaining now. Now watch this. Watch. This is X plus what? X. What is the answer? 2 what? X. Are you there? Then 2X minus what? X will give us plus what? X. So my final thing is to do collection of like terms. I will take away plus X to the left. It will become minus X. Then equal to. Then I will write 37. Are you there? Then take 40 to the right. It becomes minus what? 40. Can we now observe that minus X is now equal to punch calculator or solve? 37 minus 40 will give you minus what? 3. Are you there? So minus we cancel minus. So the value of X now is 3. 3 words, student. And that is the final word answer. Have I made myself clear? Now see you in my next video. Thank you.